You just sold a company or inherited $10 million, and you want it invested today. What's the smartest, fastest way to deploy that capital without making avoidable mistakes? Quick headline. Diversify across asset classes, keep liquidity, lock in tax and legal structure, and use experts. This is education, not personalized financial advice. Here's one practical allocation you can commit to in a day that balances growth, income, and optionality. Public equities, 40%, $4 million for ETFs and high-quality stocks. Private equity, direct deals, 15%, $1,500,000, commit to funds, LOIs. Real assets, real estate, 15%, $1,500,000, REITs or syndicate equity. Fixed income, private credit, 15%, $1,500,000 for bonds and private credit. Alternatives, hedge funds, 7%, $700,000. Cash, short-term reserves, 8%, $800,000 for dry powder and liquidity. What you can actually do in a day. Call your wealth manager and tax counsel first thing and open segregated custodial accounts. Execute public equity trades via a broker or block trade desk to limit market impact. Wire the cash for bond ladders or buy ETFs for instant exposure. Sign LOIs or subscription documents to commit to private funds or direct deals where managers accept same-day commitments. Hold the cash slice in high-yield short-term instruments. Small moves matter at this scale. Negotiate lower management fees for large commitments, insist on side letter terms when possible for private deals, and document allocation mechanics and lockup rules for employee-resident shares. Also, keep at least 5–10% liquid for sudden opportunities or margin needs. Market context. Wealthy families and single-family offices are increasing allocations to private markets and alternatives, but many asset managers also note a resurgence of interest in hedge funds and liquid alternatives. That's why a blended approach makes sense. Risks to watch immediately. Liquidity constraints in private deals, higher fees, carried interest, tax consequences across jurisdictions, and concentration in single sectors. Do not skip legal and tax structuring. That's where you keep most money. Done properly, you can commit $10 million in a day while keeping flexibility for better opportunities.